Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading to Publix. The days of these deals are for April the 17th through April the 23rd. As always, these deals are all digital, so you can score just by using your phone. No need to clip paper coupons. Also, in the description box, there is a link for a printable breakdown. So there's no need to write any deals down. You can either print the printable breakdown off, or you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. In this video, we're using the Publix app, IBOTTA, Fetch, I think that's it, to score on some deals. Now, the first deal is on these Dave's Killer Bread snacks. So these are $5.59 each because they are on BOGO. They will be $2.80 each. There is a $2.50 Ibotta rebate, which you can do up to 3 times. So with that BOGO and that Ibotta rebate, it's going to make each box of these snacks just 30 cents. So this is a really good deal. And even if this is something you don't like or don't use, this would be a great item to donate. Now, next item is on the Crunch Master. These are so good for like when you're dipping them in different things. And I'm going to stock up on these for football season actually. So these are usually $3.99. We're going to pick up 2 of them. The total is going to be $4. On the Publix app, there is a coupon for $1.50 on 2. So with that BOGO and that $1.50 coupon, it's going to make these $2.50 or $1.25 each. But there's another deal on this. Then you're going to head on over to Ibotta and submit your receipt for 40 cents back on each one. Because we're buying 2 bags, we're going to submit our receipt for 80 cents. With 80 cents back, the BOGO and the coupon is going to make these Crunch Masters $1.70. So this is such a good deal for getting 2 bags of this Crunch Master for $1.70. Great deal on the Chobani flips. I love these. I like the one that has like the little kind of like a cookie dough or something in them. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 5 of these. They are $1 each on the sale. Picking up 5 of those, there is a $1 coupon on the Publix app. So already a good deal, already on sale for $1 each. And then getting 5 of them, you'll save $1 from the app. In addition to that, there is an Ibotta rebate, getting back $1.25 when you buy 4. But you already bought 5, so that works. So the total is going to be $2.75 or about 55 cents per Chobani flip. The Atkins frozen meals are $4.59 on BOGO. So they'll be $2.30 each. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app, making the Atkins dinners just $1.30. Now, this is always a good deal when they have the BOGO on the handy foil pans and then also the coupon. I usually try to stock up on these throughout the year to save them for holidays because when the holidays come, I always feel like the prices are so jacked up on these. Now, what I did for this was I got the handy foil loaf pans to make bread or whatever in it or make brownie loaves. The handy foil loaf pans are on BOGO for $1.79. Then, if you go on the Publix app, there is a coupon for $2.50 back. That's going to make the pans a moneymaker of 71 cents. So, good deal on this. I always stock up every year, like I said. Now, brawny paper towels. So, what we're going to do for the brawny paper towels, these are $6.49. You're going to pick up 4 packs. It will be $25.96 when you pick up 4 packs. Now, the first coupon you're going to use is a $5 off coupon. that is on the Publix app, that $5 coupon is going to take that brawny paper towels down to $20.96. Then there's a coupon for $1 off. So that $1 coupon will work as well. So with the $5 coupon and the $1 coupon, that's going to leave you a total of $19.96 or about $4.99 per pack. And I will tell you, a lot of times there are coupons on the Brawny website, or just check that out. But $4.99 per pack of Brawny paper towels. Another moneymaker, this is on the Olay wipes. This is the travel size. They should be about 7 in a pack, and these are $1.79 for the travel size wipes. Now, with this $2 coupon that attaches, it's going to make this a moneymaker of 21 cents. This is the bubbly burst drink, and a lot of us got this last week, but we can do it again if you didn't use the coupon. So this drink here is going to be totally free for this price. So whatever price it is, if it's $1.25, which I think it is, then it should be $1.25 off at the register. So that $1.25 will come off at the register. In addition to that, there's an Ibotta rebate for 30 cents back. So with that free coupon and the 30 cents back, it's going to make it a moneymaker of 30 cents. Well, in addition to that, there's also a fetch reward for that bubbly drink. That fetch reward is going to be 40 cents back. So it's going to make this a moneymaker of 70 cents. So with the free coupon, the Ibotta rebate, and the fetch reward, it's going to make it a moneymaker of 70 cents. Guys, if you do not use Fetch, it is the easiest app. All you do is scan receipts and you get coins back, and you can use those coins to get gift cards. And that is what I'm constantly doing. So if you do not have the Fetch app, please make sure you sign up. Use my referral code in the description box. So all free and clear is a great alternative for a baby shower gift instead of buying the Dreft. It's supposed to have no dyes and chemicals in it. I buy that all free and clear and give this for baby shower gifts. So it is usually $16 for this large bottle, which is crazy high price. It's buy one, get one free. So one bottle will be $8. Then, in addition to that, there is a $3 Ibotta rebate. This $3 Ibotta rebate can only be done one time. So it's going to make this all free and clear, just $5 with the BOGO and the Ibotta rebate. Good deal on this. I really am going to make sure I pick more of these up if it comes out more this week. All right, so this is the sparkling ice drink. Some of you may have different coupons on your app, but I have, if you buy 5, you get $1 off. It's an okay deal. I'm not really, really excited about it. But what happens is you're going to pick up 5 of these. They're going to be $2 each with the sale. Before the coupon, they're going to be $10. Then there is a $1 coupon on your Publix app. That $1 coupon is going to make these drinks $1.80. Now check your Fetch. You may have a Fetch reward that's even better that helps with this. Not a great deal, but if it's something you need, then make sure you use that coupon. Next is going to be on the Go-Gurt yogurts. These are a fan favorite in my house. They are buy one, get one free. The 4 count box is on BOGO and the price is $1.85. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate that could be done up to 5 times if this is something you want to stock up on. So it's going to bring the total down for the Go-Gurt to $1.35. These Pillsbury rolls are so expensive, so anytime there's a good deal on these, I always try to pick them up. And there is an Ibotta rebate and a coupon and a BOGO. So we got the triple whammy here. So these are on BOGO. They'll be $1.94 each, which is crazy high. We're going to pick up 3 cans. Your total is going to be $5.82. Then there's a $1.50 coupon on the Publix app. that $1.50 coupon is going to bring your total to $4.32 or about $1.44 each. But in addition to that, you're also going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $1 back when you buy two. Remember, we're buying three, so we're good to go on the clearing of that. So with the BOGO, the $1.50 coupon, and the $1 on IBOTTA, it's going to make your total $3.32 or about $1.11 per can of biscuits. Now, please do not go anywhere. I have an additional part to this video, and I will be showing you how to use my favorite app called Rakuten. In this Rakuten app, you get $30 and I get $30 when you sign up using my referral code in the description box. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Keep watching. I'm going to show you how I was able to get over $80 in cash just by using the app Rakuten. I had to shop at PetSmart this week and I had to buy a number of products for my cat, but I also was able to get back a $40 referral bonus just by signing up. And you can do the same thing too. I'm going to show you in this video. When you sign up using my Rakuten referral code, you get $40 and I get $40 as well. Check my bio for a link to Rakuten to sign up, getting $40 back on your first purchase. Let's watch and see what I did. Today is the first day that I'm using Rakuten. Now, Rakuten is a website that you go to and then you start shopping. So you go to Rakuten first and then you find your stores, you start shopping, and you will earn money back. So right now, I just want to show you guys, I'm going to go to me. This is my first time shopping, so go to me and actually use a referral bonus. And up here at the top, it says a $40 referral sign-on bonus. And so I'll get this sign-on bonus, and the person who referred me will also get $40. That's huge. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to be able to redeem that sign-on bonus today and get $40 back for just shopping. Now, this is what your landing screen looks like, and I will be putting my referral code here on the screen for you guys, so you're able to get cash back as you shop as well. When you use my referral code, you're going to get $40, maybe $30. You're going to get $40 and I'll get $40. So we'll both get $40 just for signing up and placing the first order. So referral codes listed. I need to actually place a big order, so you guys are going to be doing that with me today. Now, I have a new kitty in my life. It's coming this weekend. And this kitty is a rag doll. I'm very excited. And so I'm going to go to PetSmart. And PetSmart has it right now where if you order online, you're going to get 6% cash back right now. And then on orders of $49 or more, I will be able to get free shipping. Now, I'm also a member of the PetSmart treats account. So with that means I get money back. So I'm just going to log in really quickly with my PetSmart account. Forgive me. Just getting it. So that's what you'll do. You'll go through Rakuten and then you'll log in to your account that you have. So like, let's say you have an Old Navy account where you're shopping. You'll log in. And if you don't have an Old Navy account or whatever you're doing, you just create an account right there. So Rakuten essentially is just a landing page. Now, I've already loaded my cart here. And I've gone through and I have 3 things in my cart. So I'm just going to do this. So I have 3 things in my cart here. And I already have $12.50 in treats from my last order when I was in the store. But as you can see, we're ordering the Litter Robot 4 by Whisker. It's very expensive, but I'm telling you, it is a game changer. And I will be getting this soon. We had the Litter Robot 3 before, so I will be doing a video about that. But I'm ordering some carbon filters and a mat. So I have all of these things that I'm ordering, and I'm going to get it shipped to me. So right now, I'm going to continue to check out. And remember, we're getting that 6% cash back from Rakuten. So right now, if you look at the price, let's just say my total is, let's see, $8.39, right? $8.39 for the price. All right, so if we do some quick math right now, because I'm spending so much, and it's just, you don't always have to spend that much, but I'm spending a lot today. And so it's going to help a ton. So 840, let's just say 840 times your
0.06%, I'm going to get back $50 from Rakuten. Plus, I'm going to get back the 40 because this is my first time using this Rakuten app with the referral code. So at this time, once you get through the process, you can see that, I didn't show you my screen, but when I was placing the order, how much it cost and shipping and all that, and I got free shipping of orders over 50. I got 6% cash back, which was like $50. I got the $40 back because I had a referral code from somebody. So, like I said, I'll be putting that referral code up for you guys. So you get $40 and I get $40. And then also on top of that, this is something totally separate than Rakuten, but PetSmart actually has a little program called Treats. And every time you spend money, you get cash back on their PetSmart platform. So just FYI, so that was like another part of it. I don't know how much money I got back. No clue on the PetSmart side. But anyways, all that. And then whenever the item ships, then I'll get the notification that Rakuten has put money in my account. With Rakuten, you can get either a paper check sent to you in the mail, or you can get it sent directly into your PayPal. And I always get everything sent directly to my PayPal. All right, guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys sign up for the Rakuten. It's, like I said, you get $40 and I get $40 just for signing up and placing your first order. Thanks, guys.